with the wolves, wrestle with the pit bulls.
Oh my days, check this out. Dubplate Wars, Toblerone, brilliant. Easy crew, big up all massive. Just wanted to say a quick shout to the man like Spider for sending me this cool personalised Toblerone here that says Dubplate Wars spelt with an 8 on it, which is really cool. And it says also, got a message here for you guys, it says big up the Amen Therapy crew. So I'll be having a little bit of a munch of this tonight, guys. And speaking of tonight's show, we've got a massive lineup for you guys as usual, kicking off at 10 o'clock tonight. Guys, get your peeps in, man. Let's see if we can get that stream up to 100 live streamers at once, which is, you know, something I'd love to see, guys. Also, we got the drop of the Everyday Junglist Silver Shimmer t-shirts to be also announced tonight, and we got some real cool additions to the show because we're coming up to 11k subs, so hopefully we can get that tonight. Who knows? Let's see what happens. Anyway, guys, see you there, 10 p.m. Don't be late, make it a day. Peace out.